Hi guys, if you're finding the Outlook fonts too small and if you want to make it large, then here is how to do it. So first of all, click on File and now click on Options and now click on Mail, and now here's Stationery and Fonts. Just click on Stationery and Fonts, and from here New Mail Messages and Replying or Forwarding Messages, you can click on Font and you can just change it to whatever you want. Okay, and also you can change the font size. Okay, click on OK. Similarly, you can change the font of the replying. Okay, you can change the size of this also. Click on OK, click on OK. Now close and open the Outlook. And now when you will open the mail, you can see the font size is changed. Okay, and also if you will try to reply it, you will see the font size is changed. Okay, now how to do it in new Outlook? In newer Outlook, what you have to do, you have to just click on Settings and now click on Mail from the left and click on Compose and Reply. Okay, and from here you can change the font size and font style. Okay, and click on Save, and now when you will open it, you will see the font size is changed. Let's try a normal. Okay, now you can see the font size is changed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.